The gloves are highlight on it. Not yet, but next one coming up. Don't kill me, what? Think of the chops for that bit. Straight through, okay? Yeah. Oh, maybe not then. Even when we slowing you down. No worry for Stephen Wigmore and me with this fallen down tree. What's this? I follow you, Sam. It's his first one of the day. Oh yeah, I remember this one now. Oh, little stone's got me. Man down. You alright?
Nothing to the end. I've got fresh pads in the back.
That's great. There's pads in there.
Oh, fucking root. It's just fresh ground. Oh yeah, thanks, Rich. Classic. I think that's the wig that killed us then. Nice burn. Oh, it's double, eh? Oh, fuck yeah. Gotcha.
He's coming so fast.
Wiggy fall over. He's in the rut. Is it? Whoa! Oh, mud. Just endo bit. Is that a drop there we having that? Oh, I'll go around it for now. Whoa!
Oh, yeah, that was it, wasn't it?
Whee! Little endo for you there, Rich? Fuck! Oh, he's got off. His little rut's tight. Oh, my eyes are...
No.
You're going straight in, you.
Okay, cheers, that. This is us, isn't it? You alright?
I thought you were going in then. We're going to stop.
Let's wait for Sam to get away. Oh, look at the damage he's done. Oh, there's a jump here if you hit me. This way. Which way are you going? Not that massive berm over there.
Ready?
That looks lush. I would have said right away. Oh, ow! What's that branch? Just jabbed me in the thigh.
Get in the corner.
I went straight down.
What's that? Keep my own wig, but. Ooh, Casey. Oh, fuck that! Big case on that one. They are stuck in. Oh. I think I maxed it out. Damn. Oh. Oh, thanks for the rocks, huh? Is he gone again? Alright, Wiggy's just
This is fucking minging now, isn't it?
what's that? Is this a roller?
Oh yeah, it's a roller bike. Fuck now.
Jesus, Sam, wait, you're not filling me with much confidence here, sunshine? That's fine. Oh wow, let's just jump. Oh, I'll do that next time. Oh, there's a bit of a tree there. Is that? Oh, he's had a case. It's a case party. That's all right. La 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 la. Oh. On that route then. Whoa, what's this? I wonder what he was doing. I followed him. What about? Oh fuck as well. What's happened to those two?
Go out.
Oh, too big.